So hello guys, welcome to iTechUp YouTube channel and my name is Thruvin. In this tutorial I will show you IGTV options not showing on Instagram. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to IGTV options not showing on Instagram after new updates. So guys, in this video I will show you how to upload IGTV video on Instagram feed. The process has been changed. However, if you recorded video more than 1 minute, then your video considered as a IGTV video on Instagram 2022. And nevertheless, if your video less than 1 minute, then your video will be considered as a short video on Instagram in 2022. But still lot of users to say IGTV options not showing in Instagram after new updates in 2022. Before the starting video, so guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. Now I will show you how to upload IGTV video on Instagram feed in 2022. Now this trick works for the Android and also iPhone user as well as. Now go ahead and also open the Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. Now tap on the Instagram profile. Now you have a tap to on this plus icon on the top of the right corner on Android. Now you need to select the videos which more than 1 minute. So I have a video already pre-recorded here. So then tap on the next. From here you need to select the filters and also simply tap on the next. Now from you can add peoples, you can add your locations and also you can do another works. I am just going to ahead and also write the captions. Now tap on the bottom also share icon. Now your video is going to be uploaded as a IGTV on your Instagrams. So guys, now wait for the sometimes for the uploading IGTV video on your Instagrams. So guys, now lot of users question is how to see IGTV video on my Instagram feed. So guys, if you want to see your IGTV video on Instagram, then just simply tap on our profiles. And also you will be able to see IGTV video under this section. So guys, this way too you can easily upload and also see IGTV video on your Instagram feed in 2022. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.